there are going to be winners in this moment. There are also going to be losers. There always are. And which side wins? It's not necessarily in a 10K. It's not necessarily in a filing. So let me start by sort of validating the obvious hypothesis, which is that we are watching, as Sean mentioned, we are watching munitions being burned through at an incredible, unprecedented rate. And we're also watching material being destroyed, high-end radars, things like that. And those systems, it's very tempting to think those systems, there's going to be a one-to-one replacement, and that's possibly the case. But one of the dynamics that you see during a conflict, and this actually, frankly, this surprised me, is that there's this sort of tension that goes on in the Pentagon about, do we do a one-for-one replacement, or do we go out and do we buy something new? Do we buy something better? And what surprised me was actually the comptroller of the Pentagon, I think it was 2 days ago at the Reagan Forum, he said that, what's always been the quiet part out loud, he said that. So what's going to be happening inside the building, and it's I guarantee you, it's already happening, is you're seeing this competitive dynamic happening behind closed doors, where the folks who are incumbents, they're going to be pushing for their solutions to be the one-to-one.